Hi, I'm Pablo.
My name's Tyrone.
I'm Uniqua.
I'm Tasha.
And my name's Austin.
And we're
your backyard friends, the backyard again. Together in the backyard again.
In the place where we belong.
Oh, we'll probably sing a song.
And we'll maybe dance along.
We've got the whole wide world in our yard to explore. We always find things we've never seen before. That's why every day we're back for more with your friends, the backyard again.
Hi everyone and welcome back to the CHS Pulse. My name is Sam Canto.
And my name is Sophie Davenport.
Now, if you haven't caught on by this point, me and Sophie are kind of the queens of pickles. I mean, pickle juice practically flows through our veins.
So this week, for Question of the Week, to mark a marvelous end to the pickle trilogy, me and Sam walked around the school asking people if they wanted a pickle. And to their surprise, we actually gave them one.
Boy oh boy, are you guys gonna love this.
What's up, guys? Sam and Sophie here. Today's question of the week is, do you want a pickle? All right, Julia and Victoria, would you guys like a pickle?
Yes.
Yes, I would like a pickle.
Okay.
Sophie, please do the honors.
I would be happy to. Thank you. You're welcome. Congrats. Well, thank you.
Thank you. Moving on. All right, Fro, do you want a pickle?
Sure.
Sophie, come on over.
Wait, what is this supposed to taste like? Dab! Oh my god. Wait, what is it? What is the?
They're zesty dill.
Oh god.
Hey, Kate Romano, would you like a zesty dill pickle?
Sure.
Hands out, please. All right, now take a nibble and rate it, please. Oh,
It's good, right? Yeah, it's good.
would any of you guys like a pickle?
Cam wants a pickle.
You want?
Decker? Alright, I'll take it.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Eat it. It's still dripping on.
No, I'm like, take a bite, Cam.
Would you like a pickle?
Sure, I'll have one. Just like. You go first.
Kate wants one too.
Okay, when you say like that.
And Kate wants a third pickle, ladies and gentlemen.
Do you want to cheers?
Wait, me. Guys, give one to Kate. She wants another one.
Kate. This is Kate's third pickle.
Third pickle.
Can I not be like this? Oh.
No, it is.
Why are they?
No, sorry. Aiden, would you like a zesty dill spear?
Yeah. Wait, what? A pickle?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what they're called.
That's what you're thinking.
Was I supposed to eat it?
Yeah.
Yes. Just give me your thoughts. Like.
It was good. It's got a little spice to it.
Maddie, question of the week. Do you want a pickle?
Absolutely not, Sophie. I don't know where those pickles have been, and I don't know where those tongs have been either.
All right. Would you like a pickle?
I would love a pickle. Marvelous. Voted Kill Class Prez, 2023 Sophomore Class President. Thank you.
Okay. Grace and Victoria, would you guys like a pickle?
Sure. Yes. I'm so happy that pickles are actually like popular now.
Oh my god, I'm gonna drop it.
I want to find you a good one. I'm fishing.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So this week's question of the week is, do you want a pickle? Now, do you want a pickle?
No, thank you.
You know, that was respectful. That's okay. Mr. Aglees, can I interest you in a zesty dill spear?
Normally, yes, but not that one.
All right, that's fair. Moving on. Would you like a pickle?
Oh, no.
You don't like pickles?
Gross.
We don't stand, Mr. Henderson. No. Okay, Stella Shaka, would you like a zesty dill pickle?
No, sure.
Yes, you do.
Yeah, sure.
Get your tongs.
What are you doing?
Ew! Dab! Okay, not anymore.
Miss Slade, Would you like?
It depends what kind of.
It's a zesty dill spear.
Oh, bread and butter is the best.
See, we strongly disagree.
Okay, okay. Oh yeah. Okay, sure. Let me find you a good one.
Okay.
I don't eat the whole thing, right?
No,
No.
most people. There's people who didn't
I got
eat
you a good
it.
one. Oh God.
I'm gonna pee.
I hate this segment.
Give us a review.
It's zesty. Zesty pickle.
you just.
Alright, that's all, folks.
I hope you guys enjoyed the pickle trilogy. It's been such an honor to bestow the power of pickles upon you guys. Sophie, anything to say?
I'm just really overly happy right now how popular pickles have become. It's just a big staple in my life, and I'm just really glad to share this with the people in this school. So this is just a little service, public service announcement. Okay, just buy some zesty dill spheres. They're delicious. And bye. I really hope our pickle legacy carries on one day, Sam.
The zesty dill pickle will always have a special place in my heart.
Hey, Sam, did you go to the Physics Six Flag trip this past Tuesday?
Yes, I did. I tend to get a little sick on roller coasters, but it was definitely still fun.
I went too. Thankfully, a few other post producers were there too. Wait, we totally should have made a Six Flags recap segment.
Sophie, that's exactly what we did. Roll the clip.
Look, it's Six Flags.
Everyone is here.
That's so true. And so many people. Everybody's in physics.
Everyone, you guys know Beyonce? She's here. You guys know Morgan Freeman? She's here.
She's here. I wonder whose car that is.
We just waited an hour for our food because the app was broken.
We're very well nourished.
Yes, I can feel the Taylor ham coursing through my veins, really pumping me up.
Yeah! I want to preface that wearing this was a very bad idea. I'm not sure.
Guys.
Illegal. Ah, you're good.
Guys, look at my quesadillas and the quesadillas. They look so good.
Dude, this refill bottle is saving my life though. It's so hot. I'm like glowing. Holy crap. What were your thoughts on El Toro, Jackie?
It was like the cranium shaker times 10.
Yeah.
Your head flies back.
Dude, that drop I did not expect at all. Can we talk about it? That was like...
The drop is you get only a lap belt and you go straight down.
Facts.
Welcome to Liam's Dippin' Dot Corner. I got my Dippin' Dots.
Hey!
Dippin' Dots. We all got Dippin' Dots.
Dippin' Dots. Are we
We're
ready
gonna
to
test it. Sure. What's your flavor?
Okay, so I got cookies and cream. It's pretty good. There's not enough cookies. They're kind of big, but it's also $8. Too much, but $8.
What about you?
Sweet rainbow. It's good.
Wow. What about this one?
Brownie batter, cookie dough, and banana split.
Whoa. Which one's the first one?
Mine. It's brown. What do you think?
Brownie batter gets a thumbs up for me.
2 thumbs up.
Two thumbs up for me.
4. Ow.
4 thumbs up. Wait, everybody getting it good? However many thumbs up we can give it. So many thumbs up. Okay. So many dips and so many dots. It's funny. funny.
Guys, say hi, vlog. Hi, Jamie. Hi. Are you enjoying your time, Jamie? Yep. We're having so much fun. It's so hot outside, but it's okay because I got the all-day drink thing. Woo! Will I say something funny?
That guy has a Playboy bunny badge.
Whoa! Hey! Are you enjoying your Six Flags trip? Very much. Yay! 21.7 seconds.
Oh, get rid of the minutes.
Oh yeah. She's not bobbing her head, guys. Yeah. This is roller coaster reviews after going on like half of them. Yay! What do we want to start with?
Medusa was my fave. Number 1.
Medusa was your pick?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Number 2, I think Batman.
Yeah, Batman was good. Batman was good.
3.
Oh my god, Liam McCombs, do you want to be on the pulse?
Oh my god, I'm on the pulse.
Whoa! Crazy!
Okay, so some things happened. I got completely drenched, and right.
I got drenched too.
What was the ride called? The spinny one with 12 people. That's the name.
Let's call it Spinny Wet.
Spinny Wet. Okay. Yeah, and I passed out on Nitro. Yeah, for like a second, but I passed out. My vision went completely black, and I went to sleep.
Finally, some peace and quiet. Am I right, guys?
Yeah.
I was in the middle of a conversation about the Batman ride, which I have not been.
And we were talking. It wasn't a very loud roller coaster. We were just having a full-on conversation. But you know,
we would yell when the roller coaster went down. Roller coaster!
Roller coaster!
Six Flags! Six Flags!
Do not go on El Toro, whatever you do.
Why?
It's not as fun as it looks.
Why?
Don't you like El Toro?
I liked El Toro. El Toro was fun.
You liked it?
Yeah, it was fun.
I really like Dark Knight.
Okay,
That was
fine.
a lot of fun. It was like the subway on steroids.
they have Johnny Rockets. They got Johnny Rockets.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Look, they're doing the
Oh my god, you also have to do it.
Yeah, but I'm not doing it now.
Okay, can we talk about how the packets are so small? They're so small.
Oh my god, it's Bugs Bunny. He's here. Oh my god. It's the man himself. Oh my god. He just wait. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I got a churro now. This is the real outro.
Yeah!
Bye bye Six Flags. Bye bye
Six
the
Flags.
Pulse. Churro. And another outro. We're leaving.
We're leaving the Pulse.
We're leaving the park. This is the end of the Pulse. This is the real one. This is the actual final outro. You better put all of these in, AJ. I swear. I swear.
Time we laughed, we cried.
We passed out. We passed out on Nitro.
I got all wet.
AJ, you better put all 3 of these in. I swear. You better put them all in. This is it. Okay, AJ, I know you're watching this. This is the outro. This is the outro. Oh my god, it's Aiden Tron.
Aiden!
Okay, AJ, I know you're watching this. This is the outro. This is this guy. This is the outro for this segment of the Pulse. This is the outro. Everybody like, comment, and subscribe. Jelly Belly guy. This is the outro. Bye. This is the secret outro. Not many people know about this. It's kind of indie, kind of underground. Guys, this is like the real outro though.
Hour 376 of being at Six Flags.
Guys, they're coming for us.
That trip was so much fun, Sam.
Yeah, I'm really glad I didn't end up taking environmental science. The only downside was the physics packet we had to complete afterward.
Shh, we won't talk about that.
Oh, all right, my bad. Anyways, Sophie, I've been thinking.
What?
What if our director, Mr. Clark, ended up leaving us for another job?
Other than a video production teacher?
Well, I don't know about that. The rest of Period 8 was pondering this thought a few days ago. Take a look.
All right, guys, I have an announcement to make.
Ooh, is it icky? What? You know, is it like gross?
No. Well, now for my actual announcement. I got a big role in an upcoming movie.
Oh, nice, nice.
Thank you. I'm actually going to be playing a video production teacher. So to get ready for the role, I'm going to be getting into character for the rest of the school year. You know, like all that method acting stuff.
Why do you need to get into character?
Yeah, you're already a video production teacher.
Yeah, but like, I have to like feel it more.
What on earth could that possibly mean?
No, I think I get it.
Yeah, see? Okay, let's get to work. What is going on?
What was that?
I said, what is going on?
Alright, Mr. Clark, you really gotta stop with that.
Stop with what?
Whatever that thing was.
What? I thought it sounded pretty realistic.
I'm gonna be honest with you. It sounded really forced.
Yeah, I was starting to notice that too.
Well, how am I supposed to play a teacher in a movie if I don't know what it's like in real life?
Mr. Clark, you literally are a teacher in real life.
Don't listen to them. I think you're amazing.
Well, I mean, now that you mention it. So this is the camera.
What an amazing actor.
Okay, whatever you say. I'm gonna stop thinking about what happened if Mr. Clark actually got a role in a movie.
Fine. Let's move on since it's such a controversial topic.
Anyways, Sophie, I really can't believe school's almost over.
So true. Only 2 weeks left, really.
Whoa, actually? It's so crazy to me how much we've grown as a class since the beginning of this year.
Agreed. It took a while to get to know all the other producers as well as we do now.
There's a lot of fun facts about the people in our period. For example, Ben likes to bake.
What? No way!
Totally. He's apparently quite the talent in the kitchen.
I'd have to see it to believe it.
All right, check it out.
Let's make some buttermilk biscuits. One of my favorite recipes because you only need one bowl. It's efficient and it's delicious. First, we're gonna add in 2 1/4 cups of flour. Measure it off really nicely and into the bowl. Now we're gonna add in 2 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder. Next, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Make sure that it's not too salty and neutralize some of our salt. Next, we're adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Same. Now we're gonna preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Now we're gonna add in our signature ingredient, which is the buttermilk. A nice dough like this, we're gonna divide it into little biscuits. Look at how beautiful the inside of this looks. Now we're gonna taste test. It's delicious. Let's see what Mr. Clark has to say. I'd give it a 10 out of 10, but it's a little bit high. Huh? It's pretty good. What would you have to give it a 9.69 out of 10. Let's go.
Okay, Ben.
See, Sophie, I told you, quite the baker.
And that's a wrap on this week's episode of the CHS Pulse, everyone.
Make sure to tune in next week for our giant season 11 finale of all the Pulse classes combined.
This is Sam and Sophie logging off.
Have a great weekend, CHS. Good luck to Chatham Girls Varsity Lacrosse, and seniors, have fun at prom tonight.